go to library, click on here and hover your cursor over manage library, and this time select import zipped library. Go to the folder that you have saved the library and select it, and then click on open. Important, here you could select where to add or import the library to. If you would click on here, you could import it to your default library, or if you would keep create new library and then select import, then it would create a new library with the same name as the zipped file. In my case, it is my default library that I'm importing, so I delete the imported library by selecting the library and then clicking on here again, hover your cursor over manage library and then select delete library and then click on delete, and then once again import the same library, but this time I select add to default and then click on import. In this way all my assets would be saved into my default library. Now it's time to import my other library, so once again click on here and then select manage library, import zipped library, and follow the same process, but this time I select create new library and then select import. And now if you will click on library, you could see my second library is also imported, but it has got not a very recognizable name. So you could rename your library by going to manage library and then select rename library and give the same name as your other computer. And here it is. We have imported all our libraries from one computer to another. Now it's time to restore your Camtasia's custom production, or if you have never backed up your Camtasia's library, watch the videos on the screen.